Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up environment variable for your Python application. Sometimes you will see that Python is not recognized. Use type Python. This is showing that Python is not recognized. So in this case, how you can enable Python option from your command line. So do that. You have to go to the C drive first, and you have to check it out whether Python is installed or not. And I go to the program files x86 and look at here. There is Python 3.11 and 3.2. I copy that path and go to the search bar, type environment, and just typing environment, you will see that edit system environment menu will showing up here. And just click it there and press environment variable button and go to the path. Double click here, and at the end of this path, you just need to put that part here. This is my path C program files x86 Python 3.11-32. This is the path of Python install directory. And just click OK here and press OK here and press OK. And go to the command prompt and type Python or Python dash dash version. And this is still not showing Python command. So this is not recognizing Python. So what should I need to do? I need to close those command prompt and go to the search bar and type cmd again. And now in Python, this is now recognized. That's all. Thanks everyone.